Hi Micafam, Myra here. For today's video, step-by-step kong ituturo kung paano tayo makakapag-create ng MP2 or Modified Pag-Ibig 2 gamit yung ating mobile phone po. Very easy lang, kaya kung interested ka malaman paano nga ba ito, please keep on watching. And guys, yung MP2 nga pala or Modified Pag-Ibig 2 ay voluntary savings program ni Pag-Ibig na pwede kang makapag-earn ng dividends po. But if you wanna know more about Modified Pag-Ibig 2, meron akong nagawang video. If you're interested, lilink ko na lang po itong video na to in the description box below. And also guys, kung meron kang Pag-Ibig or member ka po ng Pag-Ibig, maganda kung meron kang virtual Pag-Ibig po. Kaya meron akong video, how to create virtual Pag-Ibig account. Dito, pwede kang makapag-track ng inyong MP2 savings as well as your MP1 savings po. Kaya very nice ito. Kaya check nyo lang din po itong video na to in the description box below. Alright, so guys, open lang natin yung pagibigfundservices.com/mp2enrollment/ po. Or ilalagay ko na lang po yung link down below. So check it out para i-click nyo na lang. Pero andito na nga tayo guys. And dito, hinihingi yung Pag-Ibig MID or MID number natin. Ito yung Pag-Ibig number natin guys ha. Lagay lang natin yung last name, first name, tsaka yung date of birth po natin. And ilagay natin dito yung code po. Okay? So, ilagay ka lang dito guys. So guys, after natin ma-enter yung information natin, as you can see, dito sa gilid, sabi, you already have an existing MP2 account. Click continue to enroll a new account or cancel. So makikita dito guys kung meron ka ng existing MP2 account or wala pa. And since gusto natin gumawa ulit or mag-enroll ng panibagong account, tap lang natin itong continue. Okay, and ayan, makikita pa rin lahat ng info mo. So, hold on. Nakalagay dito sa gilid guys, so desired monthly contribution, preferred dividend payout, mode of payment, tsaka source of funds po. So, for example, preferred dividend payout, kung itatap natin yan guys, as you can see, annually, 5-year or end term. So, pwede pala yun guys, yung annually kang magpe-payout, pero I want it to be 5-year end term. Ayan. And then, mode of payment, tap natin yan. So, pwedeng salary deduction, kung employed ka naman, over the counter, or through any accredited Pag-Ibig collecting partners. So, I will choose OTC or over the counter, sources or source of funds, employment, savings, and all that. As you can see, marami naman. So, wala namang mali dito, guys. Maybe employment income, yung ilagay natin. Alright. Desired monthly contribution. So, minimum po, guys, have 500 pesos. So, depende na sa inyo yan. So, let's say, for example, I want to have 500, yung pinaka-minimum nila. And after nyan guys, madadirect po tayo dito sa enrollment form po ni Pag-Ibig. As you can see, so dyan yung mga info mo and all that. Na-remember ko guys, nung nag-enroll talaga ako sa mismong Pag-Ibig branch, ito po yung pinakitang form talaga. Ito talaga yung nakaprint. Papakita ko dito sa screen ngayon. Okay, so ayan lang din naman siya guys. On the right side, upper right side, andyan na po yung ating panibagong MP2 account number. So, take note lang natin yan guys ha. Ito po yung gagamitin natin kapag magbabayad tayo or magko-contribute tayo via GCASH or PayMaya po. And there you have it. Ganun lang po kabilis. And there you have it guys, meron na tayong bagong MP2 account po and very easy lang siyang gawin, 'di ba? So anyway guys, ano nga ba yung gagawin after nating mag-enroll ng panibagong MP2 account? Right after po na mag-enroll kayo ng MP2 account, mag-deposit na kayo agad ng hindi bababa ng 500 pesos. 500 kasi yung minimum guys na monthly deposit, pero you can save as much as you want. Depende na sa inyo yan. Pero bakit nga ba natin kailangan gawin yun? Yun ay sa kadahilan ng kapag after mo mag-enroll ng MP2 account, kung i-check mo yung inyong virtual Pag-Ibig account guys, hindi mo pa makakita doon yung bagong MP2 account number. And for you to do that, kailangan mag-deposit ka kaagad nung at least 500 pesos. Naalala ko kasi guys, nung first time kong mag-open ng MP2 account sa mismong Pag-Ibig branch, talagang nag-deposit na ako agad kasi parang, I don't know, maybe I think dahil nga para mag-reflect na doon yung MP2 account natin sa mismong system ni Pag-Ibig. Okay? So anyway, gaano nga ba katagal? Alright. Anyway, nag-create or nag-enroll tayo ng MP2 account online nung March 3, that's Wednesday. And ngayon, Friday, March 5, nag-reflect na dun sa ating virtual Pag-Ibig po. So, kampante ka na totoong meron ka ng MP2 account, diba? Kasi nakikita mo na dun sa virtual Pag-Ibig natin. Also, guys, ayun, if you want to pay your MP2 account on a monthly basis, pwede natin gawin yan with GCASH, PayMaya, and MEGAPAY. And meron akong videos niyan. Links will be in the description below. Okay? So yun lang guys. I hope nakatulong kahit papaano itong video na ito sa inyo. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment down below. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe kung hindi ka pa nakaka-subscribe. See you next time. Bye for now.